The FEMATEC preheating and cleaning table was developed to clean glue pots and preheat them for quick unit changes. All you need is electricity and compressed air, and you're ready to go. First, the glue pot is fixed in the holder. Then it is connected to the power supply. After activating the heater, it automatically heats up the glue pot to the preset temperature. Set the correct direction of rotation and the excess adhesive flows out via the swivel chute. The adhesive is now removed automatically, allowing you to begin your work. We recommend flushing the glue pots with a high-quality cleaner. And also avoid metal tools. Of course, we also provide the appropriate accessories. After finishing your work, switch off the glue pot and let it cool down. The cleaning table is manufactured in various versions and fits different glue pot types, regardless of the manufacturer. The advantages are clear. Anyone can carry out cleaning work easily, and the glue pot can be preheated for quick unit changes. This significantly reduces downtime and idle periods.